What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Kamakawa, I'm your host, Mziki, Origi, and this being the third week, we have been doing amazing. I'd like to appreciate each and every one who has been sharing and watching my clips. Ningependa niwashukuru sana, God our bless. And also ningependa nishukuru my guys Safaricom people. I've been receiving your data, and I'm going to continue doing more and more with your internet. Big up Safaricom PLC, nawashukuru sana jo. And also pia to my fans and followers, ningependa pia niwashukuru in a special way. You have been making me do this bila kuchoka. So today is the third week in our brooding. We remember our project of 1250. We have lost around 17 birds. Zika survive 1233. That's very amazing. This is the third week. Very soon tunazitoa out of this brooder. We remove those papers, makaratasi tuondoe zikuwe free, because they are getting to maturity from being chicks to young chicken. So I'll take you guys inside and check to the physical progress. Remember, in our previous clip we gave the second vaccine. So I will keep you posted, I'll keep you updated on how to do this in your farm, in your area, and also in your own way. So let's go inside and check out the progress vile iko, physically speaking. Here are our birds. You can see how they are, still growing, maturing. This is the feed. It's still early in the morning, and by next week we are removing these boxes. We replace them with the actual feeders, because our birdings, as you can see, they are doing very amazing. And also we'll continue raising the water. You see they have grown already. That drinker should be a bit up. Check out the physical features. The birds have really developed feathers. So remember guys, today is day 16, as you can see. It's still early in the morning. Maana tungine tumeboeka. You can see their color now. They have developed feathers. They have their colors. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do so, because here we are learning like never before. Remember, we have said that we are replacing these boxes with the actual feeders, so that we can avoid from giving our chicks littered food, as you can see. They should always access clean water. So guys, thank you for watching. Recommend friends, subscribe to the channel, as we keep getting smarter and smarter as far as poultry is concerned. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share.